Afternoon, YouTubers, what's up? Well, today we have a Husky. Pretty good little old knife. Three-inch blade, maybe a little over in a 4-inch frame. A little wood on the handle. Release right here. This serration sharp and the blade sharp. Seems like I seen some Husky knives in Walmart. I could be wrong. Could be, probably am wrong. I don't know. Feels brand new, stiff. God, Lord, it's stiff. Sure enough, come sharp. Anyway, folks, I wanted to get that in this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. God bless you. And please, please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.